What is it, buddy?
Whoa. What is that? Take him out. Pull him out. There's the batteries.
Squeeze his hand, buddy. Squeeze his hand.
Squeeze his hand out. Landon, squeeze his hand.
Good.
Alma, do it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Think of this foot.
I want to be the second story to tell you.
He's got a story to tell you.